Ta-da! You can see here we've got the left side tail light. The plastic is exactly the same shape, so this should work out perfect. Inside there's 4 mounting posts with washers and lock washers. So assuming that they are spaced out correctly, it should be a pretty easy plug and play. Wiring harness there, hopefully it's the exact same harness, and we're in and out in just a few minutes. My tail light was completely broken, so there's 2 of the posts were broken off. Yeah, that looks the same. I think we can kind of just bend on that a little bit. With that sort of straightened out, we can try it again, see how it fits. I'm going to go ahead and plug in the wiring harness here. Bottom hole. I'm still off by a bit. Very easy install, and now we get to remove the protective coating. Old one, new one. Looks good to me. So the tail light was easy. Let's see what we can figure out about the headlight. It does seem like access is a little bit more of a challenge because it's up underneath the hood assembly. The replacement looks like it just has 3 attachment points, so I just need to figure out what those are up inside, and hopefully it comes right out. This one's different. It does have a washer and lock washer. Where is the third one? It is here. So once that third bolt's removed, it came out really easily. I just had to reach in there and undo the wiring harness. So I already tightened it up once, but I realized the alignment was way off. So I loosened 2 of the fasteners, and I need to try to tighten it up in this position. So here we go. I do have a big gap on this side, and it looks like it's protruding further than the other light on this side. And I think the metal bracket that's down inside here, when this took an impact, it got bent a little bit. So I need to play with that. But I think as soon as this shifts that way a little bit, it will look just like the other one. Let's see, do the lights work? That is the important part. Ta-da! Beam, high beam. So everything works as expected. Thanks to Friday Parts for sending me these parts. And all I need to do now is just get a hold of a replacement taillight for this side, a good power wash, and this tractor is gonna look good as new. Friday Parts, fix it.